Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so the install works. First, check your laptop has a 64-bit CPU, at least 8 GB RAM and 20 GB free disk space. This prevents crashes. Next, restart and enable virtualization in BIOS or UEFI because emulators and Android subsystems need it. Once done, sign into or create a Google account now, since Play Store requires it. Having credentials ready speeds setup and avoids interruptions when permissions and app data are requested. Now you install the Android environment where Play Store will run. Choose between an official subsystem, Windows subsystem for Android, Google-compatible emulator, or a third-party Android image. Pick one that matches your OS and hardware. Download and run the installer, follow prompts, and grant required permissions so the environment can access storage and network. Then configure resource allocation, assign CPU cores, RAM, and storage. Because too little memory causes lag, and proper networking ensures Play Store can fetch apps and updates. To finish, install the Play Store inside the Android environment and sign into your Google account so apps sync. If using a subsystem, enable the store in Settings. If using an emulator, sideload the Play Store APK and then update Google Play services because outdated services break installs. Once updated, reboot the environment to apply changes. If things go wrong, clear app cache, reinstall the APK, or re-enable virtualization in BIOS. These steps resolve most permission and compatibility errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.